In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Wix. If you're brand new, start by heading to the Wix website and creating an account. You can sign up with your preferred method and then confirm your email if prompted. If you already have an account, simply log in. A quick tip as you get started, choose a password you can remember and consider enabling extra security in your account settings later. That way, your projects stay safe while you work. Once you're in, you'll land on the Wix dashboard. Think of this as your control center. From here, you can create a new site, open an existing one, manage settings, and explore tools that help your website grow. You'll see options to access your site's homepage, pages, design settings, apps, and more. Take a moment to click around so you understand where things live. This orientation makes everything easier once you start building. When you're ready to create, choose the option to start a new site. Wix will guide you through picking a style or template, or you can begin with a blank canvas. After that, the editor opens, and this is where the fun begins. You'll see a main canvas in the middle, and on the side, a toolbar for adding elements like text, image buttons, galleries, and contact forms. Drag and drop anything you need right onto the page. Use sections to structure your content, set a header and footer for consistent branding, and organize your pages from the Pages panel. If you want to fine-tune colors and fonts, open the design settings and set your theme once so it applies throughout your site. Remember to click Save as you go so you can return to your progress anytime. Wix is designed to be easy. Elements snap into place to help you align content neatly, and you can use grids and guides for consistent spacing. If you make a mistake, undo is your friend. There's also a mobile view so you can adjust how your site looks on phones without changing the desktop version. Preview lets you see your site exactly as visitors would, and if you'd like a boost, Wix includes an AI assistant called Aria. You can ask Aria to suggest website copy, headlines, or descriptions, and to refine tone, length, or style. Be specific with your prompts. For example, mention your audience, services, and the vibe you want. Review what it generates, personalize the details, and make sure it matches your brand voice. Avoid sharing private information in prompts, and always double-check facts before publishing content publicly. That's the core workflow. Sign in, open your dashboard, start building with the editor, and let Aria help when you need inspiration. Enjoy creating.